SSC original question. X plus y plus z is 0. 3y square plus x square plus z square by 2y square minus xz. 2y square minus z. Options 2. Next is 1. Next is 3 by 2. Next is 5. Next is 5. 5 by 3. 5 by 3. 4. There are so many classes we took it. Think without ink for algebra. If you see, already I explained there are 4 kinds of questions that will come in algebra, which I explained, and I took 4 hours class on this. The video course students knows that. Question contains variables, answer contains variables. Question contains variables, answer contains values. Question contains values, answer contains variables. Question contains values, answer also contains values. Answer also contains values. In this one, we will substitute values. Please write down. We will substitute values for this method. It will be used for this one. Substitution can be used for this. Substitution can be used for first and second. First and second. This is nothing but you will approximate it or you will simplify it. These also approximate it or simplify it after substitution. After substitution. If the question contains variables, answer contains variables, you will substitute. If the question contains variables, answer contains values, again you will substitute. Easy way to solve. Put a dummy variable 0. Z 0. This is out. This is out. X is minus y. So put substitute 4 by 2. Answer is 2. Answer is 2. More than solving the question. More than solving the question. Please listen carefully to these 4 approaches. Otherwise, you will not come to know which method to use. 1. Question contains variables. Answer contains variables. Question contains variables. Answer contains numerical values. Question contains values. Answer contains variables. Question contains values. Answer contains values. Substitution, please use it in the first 2. Substitution, please use it in the first 2 methods. Question, use it in the first 2 methods. Please use it in the first 2 methods. I hope it is clear. Use it in the first 2 methods. Understand the concept more than the answers. Answers will follow if your concepts are good. If you do not know all the concepts, if you do not know all the concepts and whatever you know, if you think that they are only the concepts, you are living like a frog in a well. You are living like a frog in a well. I hope it is clear, right, sir? Write a few more questions. Write few more questions. Right. Let me see. I hope it is clear. Write few more questions. X cube plus y cube. X cube plus y cube plus z cube is 3 into 1 plus xyz. 3 into 1 plus xyz. P is, again it is an SSC original question, y plus z minus x. It is actually a similar CAT mock question which I created 4 years before, z plus x minus y. R is nothing but x plus y minus z. Options are p cube plus q cube plus r cube minus 3pqr. Whenever you see the question, you should know which method to use. One. I am more interested in concepts more than the problem solving. 6 and 9. Again, if you see, question contains variables. Question contains variables. All variables are there. Answer contains numerical values. Answer contains numerical values. Substitute. Put z value 0. This is out, this is out. Put y value 0. So, this is also out. So, x cube equivalent to 3. Put y and z 0. 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 So, this will be p cube. P is minus x. P is minus x. So, minus x cube. Q is x, x cube. R is x, x cube. Minus 3 into PQR. P is nothing but minus X. I hope it is clear, right, sir? Q is nothing but X. R is nothing but X. So minus X cube cancel. It is X cube. Minus into minus plus. So it is 3X cube. It is 4X cube. 4 into 3, 12. Very, very easy question. Question contains variables. Answer contains numerical values. Question contains variables. Answer contains numerical values. What is the concept that to be used? Substitute. Concept to be used? Substitute. What are we doing in this problem? We are simplifying the problem. We are simplifying the problem. If you simplify the problem by substitution, the toughest question becomes the easiest question. This is nothing but an original SSC question. This is nothing but an original SSC question. Take any value that comes into your mind, you will get the answer. Take any value that comes into your mind, you will get the answer. Take any value that comes into your mind, you will get the answer. You will get the answer. I hope it is clear, right, sir? You take any number, you will get this answer, right? So I think these are some of the questions. Write down few more questions, sir. Right? Not only the questions which are discussed, I will create a new more questions also, so that the students will not trouble. Students will not create a trouble. One student asked me this